Hi everyone, welcome to this video explaining how you can set up your Menace Prime 2 xsens gloves inside of MVN. As you can see, I already have MVN up and running. I'm wearing the suit, I'm wearing the gloves, I have the sensors connected to the gloves, and I will explain you what you need to do to start using your gloves. First of all, make sure that you're running Menace Core, the software connecting the glove data to your computer, and after that you can launch MVN. Here in MVN, the thing I already did is already measured up myself. I already did a calibration, so as you can see, I'm moving around fine. Simply select your profile, go to the finger settings, select Menace VR, select the dongle you have connected. Right now it's only one dongle I have connected, and press OK. As you can see, the calibration data has been reset. Because I already calibrated myself and I saved it, I can now simply press load. And that's it. You can use your gloves directly inside of MVN and its plugins. See you.